5 signs your electrical outlet need replacement. Let's get into the video. A damaged outlet can become more than an inconvenience. It can become a fire hazard. So stop using a damaged outlet and have it replaced by a certified electrician, all right? By a certified electrician. Hello, my dearest. Welcome back to my channel. You guys know today is Tuesday and it's Fire Safety Tips Day, right? We're going to talk about fire, right? You guys know that this channel is all about fire prevention, anything related to fire. And for my ladies and gentlemen who want to become firefighters and fire inspectors, this is your channel. This is your girl here. For my new subscribers, welcome. Okay, you guys are my family, right? Not just only that, we're going to stay in that area. We're going to talk about Equatorial Guinea, Spain, US, fashion, glow, food, okay? Food and everything in between, and obviously also Equatorial Guinea. So today, the topic of today is 5 signs your electrical outlet need replacement. So we're going to talk about those 5, okay? Number 1 is burn marks on you or discoloration. If you see your electrical outlet has burn marks or discoloration, that means that your outlet need replacement. Number 2, warm or hot as soon as you touch it, right? It should never be hot or warm, right? So that is the second sign. Number 3 sign, sparks or burning smell, right? If you smelling something electrical, you always have to go and make sure that you look at it before something major happen, right? That is number 3. Number 4, loose plugs, right? We should never have any loose plugs around. If plug fall out easily or loose, we should replace it, okay? Replace it. Make sure that we take care of that problem, right? Make sure we take care of it immediately. 5, crack or damage, right? Your electrical outlet, if it's cracked or damaged, it needs to be replaced. Once again, we're going to go through those 5. Is number 1, burn, mark, or discoloration. Number 2, warm, hot when you touch it, right? Number 3, spark or burning smell. Number 4, right, loose plugs. And number 5, crack or damage. Crack or damage, okay? A damaged outlet is more than an inconvenience. Is something that has to be taken care of immediately because it can cause a lot of damage and human lives, and also you losing your home. So those things are very, very important that is taken care of and is fixed immediately as soon as you find out, okay? Don't ignore it. Don't ignore those signs. Now, my question to you guys is, have you ever found one of these warning signs in your home, in your office, or in your apartment? Let me know. Drop a comment, right? And I'll see you here for another fire prevention tip next week. You guys have a wonderful day, and also I'll be updating you guys tomorrow on what's going on in terms of all the wildfires that we have going on around the country nationwide. See you here tomorrow for another fire tip. You guys have a wonderful evening and God bless.